here to make DIY dry shampoo, because in dry shampoo, do your own research, but inside of dry shampoo, there's toxic chemicals. It's disgusting. And you shouldn't be putting that on your body, on your skin at all.
No.
And what we're doing today, it's literally arrowroot powder. You can also use cornstarch. That was another one I saw, but I got arrowroot powder, and I got organic arrowroot powder. It only cost me $4 for this 16-ounce bag, 1-pound bag.
So if you have a darker hair color like mine, you're going to want to add some cocoa powder to add some pigment in there.
Yes. So the cocoa powder I got is also organic, and this one cost me $6.99. Thanks.
Alright, so let's get started. The first thing that we're doing is we're going to be using a salt and pepper shaker that's made out of glass.
I got them from Target. It cost $3 to get a set of 4. So I pre-measured how much would fit inside of a bottle. Like, this is already messy. She wants to do tea tree and citrus fresh. I'm going to be doing tea tree and lavender. You can look up the benefits of why I'm going to put lavender, why she's going to put citrus fresh.
Add 3 drops of tea tree oil. 1, 2, and 3. And I'm going to add 3 drops of citrus fresh, so it'll be a nice, light, summery type of smell for my hair. 1, 2, and 3.
This is 1 tablespoon. Yeah, 1 tablespoon in there. Made a funnel out of paper. Shake, 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 shake all the water in it. I feel like.
When we wake up in the morning, we'll let you know how this works. And it's morning. It's morning to us. So, we didn't wash our hair last night. And we left the dry shampoo in, so we're just gonna let you know how it is in the morning from when we applied last night. So mine is the not tinted one, and I think it worked pretty good. Like, my hair, usually when I wake up, I mean, it's always a mess, but it's usually a lot more greasy, and it's not greasy at all.
I wanted the all natural, like I wanted organic inside of these dry shampoo, because it's going into your scalp and your scalp soaks up so much.
It does.
So getting rid of all those toxins and chemicals from the aerosol dry shampoos, and then bringing in something natural that literally comes from the earth. We have organic arrowroot powder that costs $4.29. And then the cocoa powder, which is organic, for $6.99. So all of these things right here, it was around like $14.
All in all, though, I would say that this actually really works.
Yes.
And it's an easy way to replace something that is high in chemicals, high in carcinogens, that you can replace for something that's all natural and safe in your home. That's one little change that you can easily make.
One little thing.
Makes worlds of difference.
Yep.
All right. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We're going to go put makeup on.